Crafty Caboodle. Let's get crafty today.
More roses, Caboodle fans, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be making a rose box.
Rose box?
Yes. So I'm kind of doing the same thing as the infinity roses. Now these go for like $200. $280 for like an extra large red rose box. You can get the heart box, and then they have like single pink roses for $40. So I'm gonna try to do the exact same as in the picture, but with black boxes and red roses. It's gonna look fabulous. Let's get started. So first you're gonna purchase some really fancy boxes. Now I got these off of Amazon. They just say, just for you, if I know what love is, it is because of you. So I have a large, medium, and small, depending on what you want. Today we're gonna be doing the medium. And then you're gonna need to purchase some roses. I've got 24. Now that you have all of these, you're also gonna need, I've already pre-cut this, but some foam blocks. I cut it into a circle. This is what's gonna feed the roses. And then you're gonna need like a styrofoam bottom piece too, just to kind of lift it up because these are tall. All right, so we're gonna grab our medium size one. Go ahead and open it up. You're gonna take your styrofoam white one, and I'll have all the links down below. You're gonna go ahead and put it on the bottom. You're gonna grab some plastic and put it on the bottom, and make sure it's covering the sides too, because now you're gonna take your other foam pieces. This is what's gonna feed the flowers so they don't die. All right, there we go. All right, you can also cut some if you need some. All right, now that you have that in there, if you guys see holes, I'm repurposing this. I used it in a previous video where I did a heart-shaped flower box and candy box. If you guys wanna go check that out, I'll have it down below. And if you guys don't know how to do the blocks, cut them and you soak them, I'll have that instruction in my previous video. All right, now that you have this step done, you're gonna grab your roses and you're gonna cut these to size. So I'm just gonna measure them out. So I want them kind of sticking out of the box a little bit. So you want these roses to be short, because you want them to hit that wet foam. All right, you guys, now that you have these cut to size, they're so cute. Look at how tiny and awesome they are. All right, now we're gonna start assembling. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do a row around, and then I'll start filling them in. All right, so now that we have it all the way around, it looks really cool, you guys. We're gonna start filling in the middle. All right, this is what it looks like. Now you're gonna fill in some gaps. So it looks like we need one like right there. And then one right here too. All right, you guys, how beautiful does this look? I do have some flowers left over, and you can put them like in a shorter vase so you don't waste them. All right, we're all finished. Here is our $200 flower box. No, it actually wasn't $200. It was really cheap. I got the flowers at Trader Joe's. These off of Amazon. I'm reusing the flower boxes and the foam circle piece. I would say this cost me around $40, give or take. I love these little boxes because you can carry them, but I wouldn't recommend it because I don't know if the ribbon is gonna break, but they're absolutely beautiful. You can also push in the roses so you can put the cover on. So when you open them up, you get beautiful roses. I love this. It looks so fancy, so luxurious. I hope I helped some of you out. Thank you all so much for watching. And until next time, bye.